Waiting and waiting for are different, and it affects how we progress in life. Imagine a farmer who has plowed the soil and planted seeds. Now, he waits for them to grow. When our responsibility ends, nature takes over. If the farmer knows how to wait, he'll do so peacefully. But if he waits for the sprouting, he becomes restless and stressed, asking, "Why isn't it happening?" Even if it eventually sprouts, he's already sacrificed peace for success. The same applies to daily situations. When you press the elevator button, just wait. Waiting for the elevator won't make it come faster. Waiting for the waiter after placing an order makes the wait frustrating. In life, after making decisions and taking actions, just wait. Not wait for this or that, just wait. This waiting is the key to peaceful progress. Waiting for can bring success, but it's stressful. Why choose stress when there's a peaceful path to success? For spiritual progress, the ability to do your part and wait is crucial. Waiting for spiritual experiences creates unnecessary suffering. It makes you a witness against yourself, instead of a witness to the experience. Give up waiting for to give up stressful success. Learn to do your part and wait. That's the path to peaceful progress. So remember, waiting is an art. Don't wait for things anxiously, just wait patiently, and you'll find the path to peaceful progress.